Every time you wake up, remember, not everyone had that chance. Being alive is a gift. If you're here today, it's because there's still something important for you to do in this world. This is your moment. You have one more day, another 24 hours to try again, to do something different, to start fresh. Tomorrow isn't promised, so the real question is, what are you going to do with this day? Many days feel empty, meaningless. That usually happens when we don't know where we're going. When you don't have a clear purpose, everything feels pointless. That's why you need to find a reason to get up. Choose a direction, even if it's a small one. Think about it. What can you do today that you've never done before? Maybe it's something simple, like taking a small step forward, becoming a little stronger, thinking more positively, or facing a problem from a new angle. You need to realize the power that exists in a single day. God didn't have to let you wake up this morning, but He did. So take the opportunity, forgive someone, ask for forgiveness, move on, let go, and start again. Use this day as a second chance. Accept where you are. Look at your finances, your relationships, your health, your emotions. Be honest with yourself. Are you on the right path? Are you truly taking care of yourself? Today could be the day you begin to change your story. Maybe you'll read a book, start a project, or finally invest in yourself. Don't wait. Start now. This is your time. Take it seriously. Make it count. If you want today to be better, you have to let go of yesterday's mistakes. Don't ignore them. Face them. Today is the day to heal, to release the pain, to stop blaming yourself. Maybe you were hurt by people who said they'd be there and never showed up. Today is the day to let go of that too. Let go of what you lacked. Let go of what you had but didn't need. Today is your reset. Once you begin to heal, you need to learn, what did you allow that you shouldn't have? Where did you put your energy and get nothing back? Sometimes we pour ourselves into people or situations that have nothing left to offer us. That's what drains us. That's why life feels stuck. But something has to change. And that something is you. Are you going to repeat the same patterns again? Or are you going to take a new path? You have a purpose. You matter. And it's time you start believing that. The only way a day becomes meaningful is when you pay attention to how you live it. What are you focused on? Where is your energy going? What you focus on grows. If you're always distracted, you won't build anything lasting. But with focus, you can create something powerful. Once you accept your reality, give yourself time to grow. Learn from your mistakes. Learn from other people's mistakes too. Understand what went wrong and why. And commit to not making the same choices again. If you want to win today, you'll have to push through discomfort. You'll get frustrated. People will let you down. Life will test you. But even when it hurts, keep going. Even when you feel alone, move forward. Pain fades, but what you build will last. If you want this week, this month, or this year to be different, you need to think differently. Act with intention. Write down your goals. Be specific. Be clear. Because what you write down shapes what you do. Dreams without direction are just wishes, but a clear vision becomes a path. A lot of people want success, but they don't plan. They want the results, but avoid the process. They want deep relationships, but refuse to change their habits. It doesn't work that way. You need to decide what you want, write it down, review it, adjust it, and commit. And more than that, you need people around you who will keep you accountable. You don't have to do it all alone. No one wins alone. You weren't made to walk this journey by yourself. Having someone with purpose beside you makes all the difference. This is about real transformation, about letting go of what's no longer serving you, about stepping into a new version of yourself, stronger, lighter, and more focused. You have that power. I believe in you. I believe that when you start living with purpose, what you're chasing will start chasing you. Your purpose will find you. It doesn't matter how many times you've fallen, There's still strength inside you. You have faith. You have courage. You have what it takes to rise again. It's time. Stand up. This is your day. Go out and conquer it. Make it matter. Live with intention because life is waiting for you.